Gusto mo bang malaman ang difference ng TikTok profile sa TikTok business account? Kung gusto mong malaman, tapusin mo ang video na to hanggang sa huli. Number 1. Ang TikTok profile ay para sa personal use. Kung meron kang regular TikTok profile, nakadesign to for individuals who use their platform for personal entertainment. These accounts allow users to like, share, and create and also engage with a short form video. And you can also use various creative tools available on TikTok. Kapag naman meron kang TikTok business account, obviously, para to sa mga business and brand use. So, si TikTok business accounts are tailored for businesses, mga brands, and content creators who wants to use TikTok for their marketing and promotional purposes. Ano nga ba yung mga ibang additional features kapag meron kang TikTok business accounts? Number 1, kapag meron kang business TikTok account, ma-access mo ang Ads Manager, which allows business to run the advertising campaign on the platform. Sa business accounts, ma-access mo rin yung analytics and insights about the performance of your content. Sa business account, you can also write your contact information, and you can also include yung mga website link and email address, making it easier sa mga users na makikonnect sa mga business or brand. Sa TikTok business accounts, meron silang mga specific tools para makapag-create ka at ma-manage mo yung campaigns mo. So, both account types can create and share contacts, but yung mga business accounts may have an additional features para ma-enhance yung promotional aspect. Para ma-ensure mo na up-to-date ka sa mga TikTok business accounts and profile, lagi mo lang i-check yung mga TikTok officials documentations nila at yung mga support resources. Kung meron kang natutunan sa video na ito, like, share at mag-comment ka lang to learn more. Happy sharing!